Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the Coach Hutton crossbody with weaving. I was able to carry her around for a few weeks, so I will be talking about what fits, how she held up, some pros and cons, and I'll be showing you some mod shots at the end, so stay tuned. Again, here's a Coach Hutton weave. It is in brass and confetti pink multi. So the website's description says, "Turned timeless on its head, Hutton is a modern day icon with sleek hardware and a fresh take on our turnlock closure. Detailed with an intricately woven geometric design, the refined leather shoulder bag has interior multifunction pockets for easy organization and an outside slip pocket for easy access to essentials. It's finished with a long chain strap that easily converts to two short handles." So this is refined calf leather, and the lining is fabric, is what the website says. It looks like a microfiber. So the handles convert to a shoulder strap that has a 21.5-inch drop. I think I prefer the look of this type of turnlock on the rectangular panel. So let's get on to what fits. So I'm fairly certain that a full-size wallet will not fit, but it is pretty tall. So a full-size wallet won't fit, but let's put a card holder key pouch. Actually, let's put in, see if the mini pochette fits first. She fits. And that means the card holder or the key pouch should fit here okay. And for the phone, you could probably fit the phone back here. It's kind of tight. I think it's because of the weaving. So this is the size of the iPhone XS. But let's see if an iPhone 7 Plus can fit. So without a case, it fits fine. But with a case, it might be a little bit tighter in here if you can't fit at all. And definitely a sunglasses pouch kind of situation. Dog hair. Fits great. And it almost looked like this could come off, or no. I don't think, never mind. I thought this no, I don't think this can snap off. But that fits great, as you can see. I will tell you again, it is very, very heavy now. It's pretty heavy. I mean, if you wanted to make it lighter and fit different things in there, then I would take out the mini pochette. And if you wanted to put in a full-size sunglasses case, that fits too. So the key pouch could go in here. Take a few things out. Hand sanitizer. And it still fits awesome. So this bag is definitely very heavy. It is just a heavy handbag. So this is definitely not something you would take out knowing that you're going to be walking around for long periods of time. But I do love the unique look. It makes every outfit definitely interesting. Like, it adds something to an outfit. It fits a decent amount. It actually fits a little bit more than I thought, because so let me show you the other Hutton that I have. So this is the other Hutton, and I believe this Hutton is definitely like an inch taller, actually more than an inch taller. So again, this bag has a lot of personality. This bag is very heavy. It's definitely a statement piece for sure. If you like really intricate details like this, I think it is definitely pricey for $550. And I didn't think it would be this heavy. And you know, if you follow my channel, you know I'm all about comfort. And although this leather strap does help, it's definitely digs into your shoulder after a while. So I can't even imagine holding it, you know, using it only as one strap on one shoulder. That would be pretty rough. So anyway, thank you for watching. And if you liked this video, please subscribe and please like this video. So next we are going to have some mod shots, and then I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.